Okay, looks like we're going to be playing Hateful Boyfriend. The pigeon game, apparently. It's with all the birds. Pigeon Nations. Enter your name. Alright. My first name is... Ant. My last name is Trudy. So let's see how this goes. Is Aunt Trudy okay? I'm fine, thank you. It's such a polite game. Visualization. The bird is the birds to appear as normal humans when first introduced. Display human portraits. Yes, please. I like humans. A lot more than I like birds. St. Pigeon Nations school blessed with extracurricular. Is that a word? Curricula? Alright. It's been a year since I ended my ordinary life and came here, yada yada. School's known for one thing, Japan's world's great gifted birds. Birds who study art, science, and sports. What sports do a bird play? I mean, it can't be like baseball, they don't have hands. How do they wear the gloves? Okay. Wait, I'm not a bird? Oh, that guy is, that guy's a real pigeon going to a cartoon school talking to me. Such realism. Oh wait, his eyes aren't even the same color. What the hell is this? Rock Dove, mischievous, red eyes, but now they're yellow again. Tells me he's possessed. He's possessed by the devil, I tell you. What does a bird make for breakfast exactly? I need to know. I'll hurry to class. No good being late on the first day. How did he pull me in? Did he like fly and grab me in his little tiny pigeon talons? Doesn't make sense. Better make up for all that lost fun. Alright. My first term. By the pigeon, for the pigeon, lots of pigeons. Wait, are these like giant birds or am I just like a tiny person? I'm so confused by this whole thing. Also the danger. Oh. Every birdie, alright. Seem to be your teacher. What, you seem to. Are you or aren't you? What does this seem? Math and physics and also some other thing. What other things? Did he just. Can birds snore? At least his eyes are closer to the name or the actual bird here. His hair color's similar, I guess. I'm actually a little chilly. Transfer student Shirogane. The hell is up with... What is behind him? What a stuck-up asshole. What is a kulak? Wait, so he's like French-Japanese? I mean, that makes sense. He looks older than the damn teacher. And is he wearing eyeliner there? Okay. Fantel. Anybody. He's stuck up. Hope we can be friends with a stuck-up kid. Glaring daggers. No, it's so fast. God, I'm gonna have a hell of a late fee. Is everyone aside from there's hardly any birdie here? I'm getting tired of that. What is this any birdie crap? Someone looking at me, probably just my imagination. Oh, what a pretty bird. A mourning dove. Well, that's just sad. Or is there? I mean, it's a bird. They could be hiding anywhere. Like, what if it's just perched behind the curtains there? Are these giant birds or just, like, am I really small? I need to know. Trudy Ant. I'm Trudy Ant. I'm at Trudy. Okay, so he was waiting for this books all summer, but he just started this school. Oh, look, he's so sad. I wonder what he's mourning. Not his virginity, that's for damn sure. Meeting depressing people. Yeah, welcome to reality, bitch. Oh, it's the mourning dove and... his brother's this gigantic giant bird. And they have family issues. Half-breeds, wow. This guy's a racist bastard. Oh, well. Betcha he votes for Trump. Okay, yeah, I totally meant to listen. You're a bird, but what trends does a bird set? At least he looks happy. Somebody needs to look happy. Rather ballistic introduction in the same class. Never thought that stuck-up aristocrat wannabe was your brother. Oh. Oh my. I like the Disney movie better. With the kitties. That's all for today. Stay safe. I didn't learn a damn thing. Other than there's giant birds in Japan. And that's terrifying and I'm never going there. Yoda went to the infirmary. Yes, I learned that. Little birdie pellets. Squiggles. That makes sense. Birds can't write. Hunter-gatherer instincts feel no presence. Perfectly. Wow, they've got all kinds of drugs in here. The little fat pigeon bird thing. Don't know what that is, but it's huge. Shu Iwamime. Mine. Wait, is this the Sugar Plum Fairy? That's... it's like it's looking into my soul. Like the drawing and the actual bird. it's not just... Wow, it's... What kind of bird is that? The Satan bird. Yeah, Ryota was supposed to be here. What'd you do to me, bastard? Den of Evil, Ryota's home, and joining a club. And I think for right now... Wait, I just said birds can't play baseball. What is this crap? Wait, bird watching? It's a club for bird watching. I mean, is it like Voyeurs or something in there? They like to watch cuckolding and whatnot. Alright. Isn't there another one? I'll start with the track team. Oh, I don't get a pick what fucking part of the school I want to be in. Maybe I want to bird watch. Maybe I like to watch them. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna save and end this video this time. Maybe I'll continue later. I don't know. Bite me.